Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, jewelry shot for commercial and I used 4x5 reversal film. This is my today's subject and I have this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Well, pretty good, clean look is nice pencil drawing type image. Well, I don't know how it's going to turn out. I don't know how I might express this image from this. This pencil drawing type image is so nice. I really love this kind of clean, sharp look pencil drawing type image. Well, I don't even change anything. Well, but I want to make something impressive image from these two images. Let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna change this blend mode of this pencil drawing type image. Let's see. Oops, I always do this kind of mistake. Watch out. Okay, change blend mode. Now it's normal, right? Darken. Well, subject is this diamonds. How am I gonna make it beautiful stones? Really nice, huh? Nice curve. Pin light. That's pretty good. Looks nice. Nice diamond. Especially here. Kind of shiny diamonds. Both. That's nice. Real shadow color. Luminosity. Well, let's see. Make this image. Let me see. Okay, make group, duplicate this group, then flatten image. Now I'm gonna duplicate this layer. Let me see, change this blend mode, turn in dark, almost lines, outlines, huh? Linear burn. Multiply. I think multiply is alright, but linear burn, more dark lines, huh? Well, make it multiply and I'm gonna merge down. Now I got one image. Now let me see. I'm gonna break this group out of group, move out of group. Then delete this group. Now we got three images. Change, rename all of them. Okay, I changed name, original image, pencil drawing type, then luminosity effect layer, this one. Okay, now I'm gonna move this pencil drawing type image to top. This is luminosity blend mode, so I'm gonna bring this one back to normal. Now turn it off to keep it. Then this luminosity effect layer. Let me see different blend mode. Lighten. Nice for these stones around. Pin light. I like kind of hard light, but just normal is fine. Well, what's the difference? Normal, hard light. Hard light has more yellowish clean look. Yeah, this normal is kind of dark. Okay, change to hard light. Now, what shall I do next? Let me see, turn on this pencil drawing type image, then change blend mode to darken. No, I don't want to change this. Give some colors. I think this is beautiful. I don't need this pencil drawing type image. I don't need to add. Bring back to normal and then just turn it off to keep it. Now from here, make mask. Then let's see how I can reveal this. Yeah, let's try gloaming and a little pine. Well, now I want to add some different colors. Okay, I'm gonna add layer, then use same brush. Okay, I want to turn this image off. I only see this original image and also pencil drawing image. Now change pencil drawing image, blend mode to divide this shiny image, maybe 50%. Okay, let me try this. I'm gonna duplicate this layer, then one of this original image move under the pencil drawing type image. Now I may use later, so I'm gonna duplicate this pencil drawing type image also. Then one of them, just smudge down. Now I got this shiny image of the diamond. Now make mask. Just invert mask. Then turn on this luminosity effect layer and mask. Now I'm gonna reveal this little pine. I thought it's much lighter. Well, maybe over this original image. Let me move this. Just touch. Okay, I'm gonna lighten up this one. Curves. Okay, only this. Diamonds. Gamma. Yeah, lighten up. Okay, lighten up, that's easy. Now contrast. And it's a little bit reddish, so I'm gonna just tone down the red. Okay, let's see. Yeah, pretty much lighten up. Well, I'm gonna reveal some more. Yeah, just leave it this way. Okay, I'm gonna touch up some softer. Yeah. What do you think? Well, I guess that's it for today, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and well, you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.